Well, I'm back in Ripple, which is my favorite social media marketing tool. You'll see here that I have many different brands: Traffic Solutions, my Pro Site Builder, Facebook Mastery, WJM Traffic, and the Commission Code. And I'm just showing you real quick one of the things I'm doing to promote the Commission Code. You can see here I've already got this one video. If we just go look at it, it's very simple. Just like this. Boom. That's it. Now I put my branded logo on there. This creates a video that I download. When I download the video, I can upload it to Facebook groups that I don't promote directly to. So let's say I got some Facebook groups that are like 105,000 followers. I'll just upload this and put a link in there. And this is, of course, going to my redirect domain, the traffic source us.com, right? So this is very simple to do. And let's say if I want to do it, but I want to make it look different this time, just simply go into here and I can edit it. Now it's going to keep everything the same initially, but they have these essentially pre-done templates that you can select from. Okay, so here we are, and let's say we basically have this set up, but we can pick different templates. So like I could pick this template here, and I don't like the way that works, so we could pick, let's say, this template right here. I don't like the way that logo looks. Let's take a look at this template. Again, my logo disappears there, so maybe something simple like that. So we could promote that. Let's take a look at this one right here. That's pretty good. Let's go ahead and select that. I always like to do it in a 790. I don't see any sense in going the high density just for such a small little video. And now I can connect it to, I have it connected to my various Facebook groups and Facebook in my YouTube account. I probably won't post this in YouTube. I can connect it to my Instagram account. I can connect it to my LinkedIn account if I want to do, and I can download and save it to the computer, which I have set up to do. It's a single business opportunity to be part of business to be part of online. All payments come from ClickBank. It's completely trusted and done for you. Watch your video and you'll be impressed. There's the link. So I'm going to schedule this post, and today's the 14th. I'm going to schedule it for tomorrow. Schedule. That's all I got to do. So now if you come over here for the commission code, you'll see what I have scheduled for tomorrow is the new one that we just made. And you can see right here, it downloaded on my computer. Now what I would do with this downloaded version is I would upload it to, and just to look at what it does. It's a very simple video. I just like the looks of it because it's easy for us to just take that and upload it to, let's say, let's go to groups. And let's go to businesses. Advertise your business here. Let's say this is what I want to promote this at. I just, well, it's a little bigger. Yeah, 170,000 people. Okay, well, I'd have to join this group, so I'll just go ahead and join the group. It might take a while for that to actually happen. Let me pick one that I'm already a member of. 219,000 members. I guess I'll join that one too, so I can promote to it. So these business groups are great because they allow you to promote stuff right away. Okay, I'm not part of this group either. I think I'm missing my point here. I need to find a group that I'm a member of. Another one you can do is like MLM, the word MLM. I'm a member of a lot of these. Here's one for 107,000. Let's see if I'm a member here. Looks like I am. So all I would do is upload my video. Okay, this is the one we just created, so I'm going to go ahead and upload it. It's small, Won't take long to upload it. Then you might want to, I'll just take the same content I posted on this video here. Make sure anything you put in there, it's a link, is completely done. So I'm going to go ahead and post this. Now, it might take an hour for this to be approved and all that stuff, but the point is, 107,000 people have a chance of seeing that. Now, I might do this to 6 groups a day. So let's say I get it in front of 1 million people a day, or let's say 500,000 people per day. If only a fraction of those click on the link, keep in mind, I'm posting to my own groups and pages by using RIPL. I'm posting in other people's groups by doing what I just showed you. I'm laying videos out there. I'm doing emails. This is how you build a $100,000 a month business. I'm going to have to add all my Facebook advertising into that. So there'll be, some advertising costs, but that's basically all there is to it, is taking action. This is what they say. The secret to making money is taking action all the way to completion. That is the thing. Most people get excited, they do one thing and they quit. Don't be like that. Work.